Welcome to the Remio whiteboard. So you may have noticed that there are whiteboards in the different HQs within Remio. You can also spawn your own whiteboard, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But let's find out how they work first of all. So first thing you do is you reach behind you, choose your favorite color, red, and then you write on the whiteboard just like so. So there's a little dot to help you navigate the board. It makes drawing more legible and easy, and it can be very useful for a productivity meeting or something like that. So the pens themselves, they don't only draw on the board. You can draw them in midair. See, look, I'm in a box. And there you go. So you have a 3D drawing as well as whiteboard drawing. So sticking to the whiteboard, you can, of course, once you have drawing, you can clear the lines. You clear the lines, but you can also open up an image. And this image comes from your dashboard, your Remio dashboard, where you can upload photos yourself. And once you have the image up, you can draw on the image as well. See, did it. Okay, so once you're done, you can clear the image. You can clear the lines, but let's say you don't want to do that. You want to keep this image forever. You can upload that to your dashboard. So I brought it back, drawing on it one more time, and then right next to open image, there's upload image. So once I do that, that uploaded image is going to the dashboard where the original image came from, but now it has a red mark on it. Isn't that amazing? So I mentioned before that you can spawn your own whiteboard, so you can conveniently take it everywhere with you. So to do that, you need to either look at your watch menu, the hamburger menu in the middle, or with your left controller, push the menu button, and it will pull up the Remio Hubs menu, like so. So when it's up, you point at Get Whiteboard, so there's the whiteboard-looking icon. You click on that, and then voila, a whiteboard appears. So this whiteboard does everything the other one does, with one extra feature. You can move it to a more convenient place. So you move it here or here or here. But if you're finished with it, you can also close it. And those are whiteboards in Remio.